There's a major warning sign you need to know about regarding DUI lawyer fees that may cost you more than just money. That's what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm Dan Joffe, DUI lawyer at Nextlaw. Let's get started. A huge red flag that you need to know about is if you get a low quote to hire a DUI lawyer. Now, before you think that you've made a great deal, let's dive into what DUI lawyer fees actually represent. When you're shopping for, let's say, a TV or a phone, the lowest price may be fine as long as you're comparing similar features. But with DUI lawyer fees, that's a different ballgame. These fees are an investment in an expert legal defense tailored to your specific DUI case. Constructing a rock-solid DUI defense isn't just about ticking off a checklist. It's actually an intricate craft that involves collecting and carefully analyzing evidence, engaging in negotiations, and potentially taking your case to trial. Each of these steps is a specialized process that demands not just time, but also a high level of legal expertise. And it's only fair for appropriate DUI lawyer fees to accurately reflect your lawyer's time and expertise in your defense. So here's the big question. Can a lawyer truly deliver an effective DUI defense if they're quoting you really lowball fees? Let's consider two unsettling scenarios. Scenario number one involves a skill gap. A low DUI lawyer fee could mean the lawyer can't compete based upon skill or expertise. That raises the question, do you want to trust your fate to a bargain-priced DUI lawyer who may have a skill gap? Scenario number two involves taking shortcuts. A lawyer may offer you a low DUI lawyer fee and do little work on your case, putting you in danger of being found guilty. They might say your guilty verdict was due to compelling evidence, but the truth could be that they didn't do the necessary work, which raises the question as to why. And the answer is simple. It's because the low fee they charged you didn't justify the time and effort required to defend you effectively. So ask yourself, do you really want to entrust your future to someone who may lack the financial incentive to fight hard for you? There are four things you can do to avoid these pitfalls when faced with low-ball DUI lawyer fees. First, evaluate the fee. If a lawyer's fee seems unusually low compared to other DUI lawyer fees, think about whether there is a skill gap or whether there is a chance the lawyer will take shortcuts. Second, check reviews. Look for lawyers with at least 50 to 75 Google reviews that are positive so you can gauge the quality of their DUI legal services. Third, trust your instinct. Did you feel comfortable during the free consultation? Were the DUI lawyer fees transparent and well explained? And fourth, be informed. For more tips on navigating DUI lawyer fees and finding the right lawyer, check out my other videos. I've included a link in the description below. If you're faced with charges like a DUI, over 80, or refusal to take a breath test, let's talk. Book a free confidential call with me. Click the link below to book your slot.